As you can see, I have small mason jars here in which I'll be putting the chia and the overnight oats. We have oats right here, chia seeds, and also the stevia. I'll be adding 30 grams of oats into the jar. You can see I'm putting everything into the scale. So it's right there, 30. Well, maybe 31. It's okay, 30. I'm also adding chia seeds, and I will add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into the jar. Now add some water just to cover the oats and the chia. You can add milk if you prefer, or almond milk, but I'm just adding water. And 2 splashes of stevia, and this is a vanilla stevia. And you can add some cinnamon if you like. After mixing, make sure you close the jar and just refrigerate. Top it off with some berries and enjoy.